Well, as you can see, there's a huge fire. I'm going to go and see if I can find out what it is. Absolutely massive. Just pausing it there for a second before you see the interaction of me and the police. When I'm talking to them in a perfectly normal manner, watch what they say, or listen to what they say, and they have an attitude that stinks straight away. And bully boys, got to get the first word in, got to get the last word in. I didn't bother interacting with them to any kind of on any kind of level, because I was there to film the fire, and these guys are making it up as they go along these days, so do not want to get involved with the police. The police are definitely your enemy, so listen to what these guys say. And just to say that these police were unaware that I had a body-worn camera that was already switched on. They weren't aware that I was filming them straight away. I have a decent body-worn camera, and I put it on all the time, and it's amazing who doesn't notice it. So these police didn't know that the camera was already switched on. They thought that the only camera I had was in my hand. Am I alright parked there for a tick? I'm just going to get some footage of this fire. What is it, mate, that's gone up?
No idea, mate.
Don't know. Sorry?
Further than here, mate.
You what?
Shouldn't really be out, really, so we can't go any further than this, yeah?
I'm just going to film from here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Keep me out of the filming, mate, that's alright.
What's that?
Don't film me, that's alright.
I'm in public though, mate. I can film anything, can't I?
Just polite, just saying, could you just give me a minute? It doesn't look great, I'm just having a break.
I'm not filming you, mate. You know what I mean?
That's all I said.
Okay.
Bloody no, that was hard work.
Well, it's, you know, there's a big thing going on about filming in public, isn't there? That we can film the police.
There's also a thing going on called COVID, where you've got to be out for a certain reason.
Yeah.
Go down that route, mate, you can go home.
Okay. Fucking Piggy's enforcing the bullshit, mate. What is it that's on fire?
Factory.
Factory. Pretty bad, isn't it?
Interesting to see how they come out of on it, and if the thing doesn't kick off in in June. So it's hard to know how to
This is Earlstown, and this is the fire we've got going on. Massive police presence telling us what to do as usual. Oh, huge. Massive fire.
I think